welcome back to my channel. Yes, I thought this week for Walgreens was going to be kind of bad, but then I took a look over at Ibotta and I found a ton of Ibotta deals for you guys. This is probably the most Ibotta I've ever submitted at Walgreens, so I was pretty excited to do a lot of those deals, plus I hit level 2. Now if you guys don't know what Ibotta is, I know pretty much 99% of you guys know what Ibotta is, but Ibotta is a money saving app where all you guys do is you buy certain specific items and you get cash back. Now sometimes it could be freebies, sometimes it could just be a little bit off of that. But if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely click the referral link below. You guys join, you guys will get $10 and you get to be on my team, which basically means that the more people are on your team, the faster you guys can finish your levels, because like you do have to have a certain amount of money to finish your levels, plus you guys also have to have a certain amount of items. So a lot of people do the items but they don't have the money, so just giving you guys a heads up with that. I am going to kind of do a little rant. If you guys put your referral link in any of my videos, I will delete them. I get probably at least 6 people every single day putting the referral links in my videos. Now they are the ones that don't watch any of these videos. They just put them in there because they see that Ibotta's in it, so that's what they do. But I'm about to block people, so just be prepared. Do not put your link in there. I do all the work. I deserve all the work. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. I get out of breath very easily. I got my root beer. It's actually a sarsaparilla, but I got my root beer because I gotta get something to drink just to keep it breathing. But I do get out of breath super easily. It's about the pregnancy, so just giving you guys a heads up about that. But let me shut up and let's start talking. Now the deal you guys definitely want to do right now that ends today, this Sunday, I did a video for it, is the free 8x10s. I always do these deals. I love doing these deals. So I got a free photo of my 8x10. This is Benjamin's photo of our announcement. You guys saw this video. I posted this already. So just wanted to get that framed. And what I plan on doing is, I know they do these deals all the time, so after a while I'll get rid of some of them and start using the same frame. So that's what I gotta do. Okay, so the first deal that you guys want to do is the General Mills deal. Now I always do this deal every single time because I love cereal. I snack on cereal all day long, and you guys know General Mills Lucky Charms is one of my favorite flavors. So these were 2 for $4, so $2 a piece. We have a $1 off a 2 coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. Now if your stores don't let you guys use printable coupons, there are tons of digital coupons that you guys can use. Otherwise, if not, always try to find a different store. But yeah, use that $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would pay $3 for the both of these boxes, but then you guys can submit a $1 off a 2 rebate on Saving Star if you haven't submitted that already. So you guys will get each box for $1. That comes out to be, you know, $2 for both of them. So that's a pretty good deal. The next deal I got is this Carmex Super Crayon Moisturizing Lip Butter. Now this is the cranberry butter flavor. So we got 2 of those. So these are $3.99. They're buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 of those $1 off coupons that are on coupons.com. You guys would pay $3.99 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate times 2 on Ibotta, and you guys get 1,000 points for buying 2 of them. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So you guys will end up getting these for 99 cents or just 49 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I'm not a big fan of the Carmex brand. I've used it. I'm just not a big fan of it, but Super Crayon or Cranberries I'm kind of excited for. So excited to try those, and I love like lip balm, butter, all that jazz. Now this is a super easy deal that you guys want to do is the beard stuff. Okay, now I looked everywhere in my store and then I'm like, oh, they're by the shaving stuff. So if you guys have no idea where these items are, they're over by the shaving cream, like the shaving stuff for men. So these were both on sale for $7.49. You guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons that are on coupons.com. You guys would pay $8.98 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate for this bad boy and a different $3 rebate for this bad boy on Ibotta. And if you guys buy 2 items, or whenever you buy 2 items, you guys will get a $1 bonus. So you got that $1 bonus. This ends up becoming a $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So husband, I showed him right when we got home. Now he has like a little goatee thing, but he has a friend who's really into his beard. So here I took a picture and the guy's like, oh yes. So we're giving those away right away. The next deal I did was the Toffee Fay or whatever. These are $1.29 though. These are not on sale. These are just your regular price. You guys want to use that 50% off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. So you guys use that 57 cent or 50-cent coupon. You guys would end up paying 79 cents for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 29 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. There's 4 pieces in here, so these are great for stocking stuffers or if you guys need little gifts. So I thought, why not do that? Now I ended up doing the Crest Oral-B deal. So I ended up getting the scope. I got an Oral-B toothbrush. And then I got the Crest toothpaste. Now these were each on sale for $2.99. Now what I end up doing when I'm at the store is I scan the items on the app to make sure the coupon is going to be attaching to that, because there's sometimes digital coupons that don't come off. It's because that coupon didn't qualify for that item, so that's how I do it. So each coupon popped up. And they have a deal right now where if you guys buy 3, you get a registry reward. So after all 3 of these, after you use that $1 off coupon, you guys would pay $5.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 registry reward for buying 3 of these, making it just 97 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal for all 3 of these. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get the registry reward. I always get that question a lot, so you can pay with points and get the registry reward. The next deal I did was the Scott's toilet paper deal. Now these are $5. They're buy one get one 50% off. We did get some 50-cent off coupons, and there's also coupons to print on coupons.com, so you guys can use either or. You guys want to use 2 of them, you guys would end up paying $6.50 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta and you get $1 just for buying one. You still have to buy 2, but to get the deal with Walgreens, you gotta buy 2. But you guys would get a $1 rebate, making these $5.50 for 2 of them, or just $2.75 for 2 of them, or for each, which I think is a pretty good deal. I only brought one because we kept the other one upstairs because we have 3 bathrooms upstairs. So I like this toilet paper. I always used to buy the cheap crap, but this is actually pretty decent for what you get. So I like that. The next deal I got is the Kinder Eggs. Oh yeah. So the Kinder Eggs are 2 for $2.50. Okay. We just got $1 coupons that were in today's paper. Yeah, they were in today's paper or last week's paper. I can't remember. I think it was today's paper. You guys would use that coupon. You guys would pay $1.50. Now there is also a deal on Checkout 51. Now I did submit my receipt. Sometimes you can't use coupons with Checkout 51, but I still submitted it anyways. I'm not sure if I'll get denied or not, but if you guys don't get denied, you guys will end up getting both of these for $0.25. So that's a pretty good deal. And if you don't have that coupon, you guys can still do this deal without the coupon. It'd still be $1.50 or 75 cents for the both of those. So And then the last deal that I was going to do, I was ended up going to get one Clean and Clear, and I was going to get one Neutrogena, and then I saw that the sign says buy two, get one free, and I'm like, oh, this is an even better deal if you guys do it this way. So I ended up just getting two Neutrogenas and one Clean and Clear. Now this resets. I'm going back to do this deal multiple times. So each of these were $2.99. Buy two, get one free. So you guys would end up getting two of them for $2.99 and one of them for free. So after you add both of those up, they come to $5.98. Well, guess what? Ibotta has an awesome deal right now where you guys get $2, $2, $2 back with Ibotta. So that's two different rebates you can do. You could, if you wanted to, you could buy 3 Clean and Clears, and you could also buy 3 Neutrogenas, because it's a limit of 3. So you guys could do those and do each deal 3 times. Whatever you guys want to do, or you can mix and match whatever you guys want to do. So that's $6 you guys get back with Ibotta. So then you guys get these absolutely free. That comes out to be a 2-cent moneymaker. So I love it. I haven't gotten face masks in a while, but this one is the Deep Action Peel Off Mask with activated charcoal. I'm like, oh, we'll see how that one goes. The next one is a clay mask. So that's what this one is. And this one is just a hydrogel mask, which I have used in the past. So definitely excited to try some facial masks. So yeah, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. A lot of Ibotta deals. I had 7 rebates that I did. So I will be I'll be finishing level 2. So my total came to $29.02. Now I just did one transaction because I wasn't really gaining points and I didn't really want to separate it. I'm just like, I just want to get out of here. So $29.02. I did pay up to 5,000 with points, so I didn't pay that much out of pocket. But I ended up getting 6,000 points back. 1,000 points was from, sorry, I got out of breath. 1,000 points was from this thing, and then I hit beauty, so that was 5,000 points from there. I ended up getting that $5 register reward. I ended up getting $15.60 back with Ibotta. That's awesome. I ended up hitting level 2, so that was a $1 bonus. Plus, I'm getting a $1 bonus for buying 2 of these, so that's $2 right there. I'll get $1 back from Saving Star for the General Mills, and I'll get $1 back for the Kinder Eggs for Saving Star. So everything added up in my favor came out to be a $1.58 moneymaker. I got everything for free, which I absolutely love. I was super excited. So I'm definitely going to go back and do the Ibotta deals again, especially for the face mask. We'll see how crazy that gets, and I might do, I don't know, I might do something else. So just wanted to share with you guys on my Walgreens haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I checked to see if my store had any Halloween stuff, but they were completely gone. It was all set up for Christmas, so I'm like, whatever, not a big deal, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.